Hey y'all, I'm Alicia if you're new here, and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Universal Yums box for the month of June, and the country is India. So if y'all want to see my reaction on all these snacks, just keep watching. So I did just post the May Universal Yums box, but I feel like that one took forever to get, and this one came pretty quick, I feel like. So yes, I did just post one, and I probably did not sell y'all on that one, but that one was Thailand, so I knew that it would probably be pretty spicy. I'm not sure how India is gonna go, but there are a few that I can already see that I think I'm gonna like. So I am really excited. If anything, at least y'all will get some entertainment on my faces and my reaction. Overall, this is a really fun subscription. There are 3 different levels. I think it's $20, $30, and $40. I do the medium that is $30. I did end up canceling my subscription only because I already have too many subscriptions that I'm paying for, but I think this would be so fun to do with a spouse, with a friend. I think this would be really fun if you are in college to do with your roommates, or if you have a bigger family and want to do it as a family. You can always get the large box. It also comes with, I think, at least 1 drink. So the bigger the box, the more snacks. I think this comes with around 10 snacks, and then of course the smaller size comes with a few less, but I will link it down below in the description box if y'all want to check it out. But each box comes with a map that has little fun facts, and then there is a scorecard on the back that you can rate each snack if you want to. It comes with a booklet that talks about each snack, and I love reading these because it also kind of gives a backstory on how the snack came about and how some of the ingredients are popular in whatever country it is. And then there's also a little quiz on the country as well. I think I did say in the last one, but just in case you missed that video, your very first box you do get to pick which country you want. I picked Italy because Italy is my favorite, and I love Italian food. It is definitely my favorite food. And then after that, you just get whatever the month is. I am excited because I don't know. Ooh, yeah, I think I'm gonna like most of these. I have a good feeling. I don't know if there's gonna be anything spicy on this one, so I should be good. So I am pretty picky. That's why I did not care for Thailand, because I don't like spicy and I don't like onions, and there were 2 things that were oniony, and then there were these chips that were so spicy, but I think I might be good. So I'm gonna start with this because, oh, cream and onion, but I think these will probably be like sour cream and onion chips, and even though I don't like onions, I know I don't make any sense at all, I do like sour cream and onion chips. So I think that's what these are. I know I don't make sense. I also like bloomin' onions at Outback, but I do kind of drown it in the sauce, so I don't know what that 20% extra means. I like these. So far, so good. More chips. Ooh, these kind of look like Doritos. You know what? I probably like this box because I like chips. I'm a snacker, and there's a bunch of chips in here. Y'all, look how many are in this bag. What in the world? There's not even a whole chip. Ooh, okay. Those are a little spicy. I did read that I think there might be curry, and I think curry's spicy. Is chutney spicy? I don't know what chutney is, but it's corn and rice snack with tomato chutney flavor. I cannot get any of these open. Oh, they look like Cheetos. I don't know. These taste weird. They taste kind of sweet. Is chutney sweet? Let's look up what chutney is. Okay, a chutney is a flavorful, saucy condiment that originated in the Indian subcontinent, typically blending fruits or herbs with savory spices, sugar, and vinegar. It can range from fresh raw herb blend to a rich cooked jam-like spread. Okay, so it is supposed to be sweet. So it tastes tomatoey, but sweet. So that's actually not bad. I don't love these classic cheese balls. I feel like that has a little spice to it. I don't say anything about that though. I don't know if I ever said, but it also gives you recipes in this little booklet too. But y'all, mini samosa. It says mini samosa with spiced mung bean filling. Y'all, what the heck is that? We need to read about this. You're sitting down to eat at an Indian restaurant. Which irresistible appetizer do you already know you're getting? Samosas, of course. Samosas are an iconic deep-fried triangular snack with fillings like spiced potatoes and peas, lentils, or in the case of these crunchy bite-sized versions, mung beans. I don't know what's a mung bean. We gotta look that up too. Okay, small olive green something with mild, slightly sweet and nutty flavor. The things I do for y'all. These are bigger than I thought. I'm kind of nervous. I feel like I'm eating birdseed. Can y'all see that? That's spicy too. It's not terrible, but that's my least favorite so far. Spiced party mix, coated peanuts, toasted corn, coated green peas. That's definitely gonna be spicy too. I do like these though. They're spicy but crunchy. Okay, I think I might be safe on the rest of this stuff. Orange flavored soft and sweet floss made from refined wheat and chickpea flour garnished with dry fruits. Orange flavored flaky sweet with pistachios. I think I will like these. Good grief. Oh, I'm intrigued. I don't know how to eat this. I can't bite into it. Oh, weird. Are there directions on how to eat it? Maybe it got weird because it says store in a cool, dry place. Some describe it as Indian cotton candy. I can see that. It's weird, but I like it. I think this has turned into my first favorite. Cappuccino flavored cream biscuits. Like a little wafer biscuit. That don't taste like cappuccino. Now this says cappuccino flavored cream biscuits. Oh, I was reading about this. I was like, this does not taste like a cappuccino. Cardamom sandwich cookies. I'm probably not saying that right. Okay, no wonder that tasted weird and not like cappuccino because it's not supposed to taste like cappuccino. Ooh. I can smell them. Number one, they should be so good in the morning with my coffee. Just do a little. And then the last thing is this little bag of like little gummies or like little chews. There are some eclairs, soft toffee with milk center, and then assorted flavored hard candy. Mango Max. So I bet these are good. Okay, we'll go ahead and try one of each. Probably should have done this one first since it's chewy and this one's hard. It's not crumbly. Okay, I had high hopes for this one, but I don't think that it went any better than the Thailand. So I am glad that I canceled my subscription. I am probably not selling y'all on Universal Yums at all, but keep in mind I am picky and it is really fun, especially if you do it with someone, like I said, a date night, with roommates, with your family. And it does make you step outside your comfort zone and get snacks that you normally wouldn't buy and try yourself. And you can can order the individual snacks on their website if there's one that you absolutely love, or if you see one from another box that you want to try, or like I loved pretty much all of the Italy snacks, I can go back and buy the Italian snacks that I really liked. So I do like that, and as I mentioned before, there are different levels, so I will link it down below in the description box if y'all do want to try it out. You can cancel it anytime, you can even pause it if you want, and I forget the different things, but I think I ended up pausing it last time for like 6 months, and then it will let you know right before it renews, so it won't charge you and then might be like, hey, your subscription started back. So I do like that they let you know before, so that way you can pause it again, or you can go ahead and cancel it or keep it, whatever. So I do really like that, because I feel like a lot of subscription things, it is so hard to find where to cancel, and then you have to just, I feel like you have to jump through all these hoops just to cancel, and they're like, are you sure? And then it puts it in the wrong spot, and I don't know. So I like that it's easy to pause or cancel at any time. Definitely check it out, but I really hope that y'all liked this video. If anything, hopefully you were entertained by my faces and reactions. If you did enjoy it, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.